Desire to Learn by Brightspace, also known as D2L, is the learning management system or LMS software we use at Elgin Community College. D2L is used for face-to-face, hybrid, blended, and online courses. D2L also hosts a variety of tools to help you create engaging and customized learning experiences for your students. As you're building your D2L course shell, it's important to know that D2L has two major players, instructors and students. The instructors create online class content, communicate with their students through D2L, post assignments and documents, and grade assignments. When it comes to students, however, students are going to view D2L as a place to access their classes, communicate with you, download course content, upload assignments, and take quizzes. And the most important part of D2L is this is a place where students will view their grades posted by you, the instructor. D2L should be the place where course content drives your online course. A successful D2L course experience focuses on students and course content.